notes, I have the Quizmaster's question of the day. Who takes home these beautiful books, packages from Book Care? And it's in Book Care's nice package. And this book is The Secret Seven Mystery, Enid Blyton, the storybook. Very nice book there. And you also get yourself a word search, so you can search for so many words. Okay, and then you also get 100 essays. 100 essays. It will guide you to write all the essays you want. And it's in 3 packs for your school that wins. So are you ready? Put your pens together and tell me. Write down, how does the water cycle work? Explain to me in 1 minute. So write it down and you do the presentation and we'll see who sounds more convincing, and we'll give the Quizmaster's question of the day prize to them. And it's sponsored by Book Care Limited, Denyame, close to Mecklin Hotel. That's where Book Care is. Auntie Ophabia and his crew are donating these books to help the children. All right, so elect one person to do the presentation for you. Okay? All right, so I'll start with you, Alphonse Lovely. Tell me what you wrote.
First, the water bodies is scorched by the sun, making it evaporate into the atmosphere. This process is called evaporation. It then condenses in the clouds. When it becomes heavy in the clouds, it then falls back to the earth as rain. And this process is called precipitation.
Okay, Amazing Grace.
In the water cycle, it starts from this. There's the scorching sun on the scorch.
Don't worry.
Please, the ray of the sun that gets into the water bodies evaporate and evaporate to the cloud and condenses back to the ground. When the cloud is heavy, it brings down the water in it, then it is called precipitation.
Hybrid?
Unless I say
First, evaporation must take place. When the sun shines on the water on the earth, it evaporates. It then condenses as clouds. Then, when the clouds become heavy, they fall back as precipitation. Then, after the precipitation, they run off to other rivers, which is all the process together form the water cycle, including evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff.
I'll give it to you. I think so far you sound convincing to me. And Hybrid Montessori, I'll give it to you. You've won the Quizmaster's question of the day. Yes, water molecules are heated by the sun, and they turn into water vapor that rises into the air through a process called evaporation. And so pockets of water on the earth are evaporated. Next, the water vapor cools and it forms clouds through condensation. Over time, the clouds become heavy, and because those cooled water particles have turned into water droplets, when the clouds become extremely heavy with water droplets, they fall back as what? Rain. Rain, snow, sleet, hail, all forms of what? Precipitation. And you added the runoff, which is good, and the process continues in a cyclical manner. That's what we call the water cycle. Thank you very much. So come for your package from Book Care. You get a storybook, you get a word search, and you get a book that will guide you to write more essays. Okay, so one for your substitute. All right. Thank you very much.